Hello students, welcome to session. Okay, in last session we were discussing with respect to overview of plant layout. What is all about plant layout? Prior to that, we discussed what is plant location and how we will be selecting plant location and what are the methods in order to select the right plant location. So the same way it is very important to understand what is plant layout and how it helps us to be successful in terms of our production function. It is very important as an operations manager and operations management to know about plant layout. So it it plays a vital role. It is a it has a crucial role in terms of any production units success or a survival. How is you know see what is layout? Layout is a structure of any business organization. So structure in the sense how the flow of production or how the flow of different functions perform in terms of production function. So, as we all know, operation management or say production operations management has to spread its scope into different areas in order to function smoothly. Yes, so it's very important. This is one of the very major aspect to study and to know what it is all about. Okay, so let's see what is layout, plant layout. Okay, a method of organizing the elements of a production process in which similar process and functions are grouped together. So here it is simple. It says it's an organizing the elements of the production process. So as a production process, there are multiple activities involved or the multiple elements involved in any production process. Say example, procuring the raw materials, storing the raw materials, say example warehousing, inventory, material handling, the movements of materials from in the production line or assembly line of production, and example the further the packaging of materials, so and placing the equipments and finding out the suitable place or suitable flow of assembly line of production. So all these elements are very important in terms of production process. So this plant layout will help us to process or a frame design which helps us to work organized, to work as an organized production unit. Okay, so and it also facilitates the subgroups of the production unit. Okay, so it is grouped together all the production activities. It helps in organizing all the activities with respect to production of any product, which means goods or services. Take a manufacturing industry or service industry, it will help us to have the establishment of establishments, have an organized elements with respect to physical arrangements of its plant. Okay, so simple plant layout is a play it's a design of all the physical arrangements being done in an efficient way in order to utilize the production process efficiently. Okay, moving ahead, plant layout is a physical arrangement of equipments and facilities within a plant. So, take example any service industry or manufacturing industry. I would take an example of IT. So, any office or any retail outlet. So, it has facility arrangements in order to use the system efficiently, use the available resources efficiently. So we have the resources in terms of men, equipment, technology, and raw materials and all this stuff we have, but how we are going to organize in order to use them efficiently with the help of plant layout. It helps us to organize the various elements of productions, the various elements being involved in the production function. It will help us to utilize them. Okay, yes. Plant layout is the organization of physical facilities like machinery, equipment, and the allocation of space for various activities of the plant and personnel working in the plant. That's what we were discussing. So it helps us in an organization of the physical facilities such as machinery, equipments, and other various activities in terms of the different departments with a different infrastructure, or setting up all these amenities in an organized way so that we are utilizing each and every resource of our production activity in an efficient way in order to produce a high volume of products. Okay, so let's see what is few definitions says about product plant layout. Sorry. So according to James Landy, layout identically involves the allocation of space and the arrangement of equipment in such a manner that overall operating costs are minimized. Yes, I mentioned in the previous slide, efficient use is what? Not keeping any resource idle. So when you're using your resources efficiently, ultimately it adds you in order to minimize your costs. Yes, not with a higher cost. Yes, so it's somewhere adds on. It gives you all the economic benefits in order to minimize the operating cost of a production unit. If we are in well organized layout, that's what it is involves. This is the process involves in the allocation of space and arrangement of the equipment. We have the specified space and how we are utilizing in terms of production with a minimum cost, or say with all the economic benefits. That's what is the definition is all about. And moving ahead, we have another definition by Apple. Plant layout is planning the path each component or part of the product is to follow through the plan, coordinating the parts of various parts so that manufacturing process may be carried out in the most economical manner, than preparing, drawing, or other representative of the arrangement, and finally seeing that the plan is properly put into effect. So simple here is it gives an idea in terms of picture, or say a graphical representation, which helps us to understand the different activities being arranged or being organized at a different space, utilizing the provided space efficiently in order to implement the idea in an actual reality. Okay, so this is how this explains us the flow or the path of each part of manufacturing process, or say the activities involved in the production function, in pictorial representation or a graphical representation of an actual idea of arrangements of different activities or different departments of an production unit, so that which will be implemented based on the decisions of operations manager. Okay, so this is what is all about the definitions of plant layout. So this is an example of layout of an airport, so which helps us to understand what plant layout is all about. So now I've taken an example of service industry of airlines. So for that airlines transportation we need airport. So this is the airport design, or the layout, which explains the arrangement of different amenities or different facilities being provided or included in this layout. So we have multiple areas or multiple divisions being divided the space in order to use the space provided efficiently, so that we organize things and we run the service industry in order to achieve the expected service to our customers, or say we can produce or we can provide the quality services to our customers. So there is no explanation where we see there's a stopway, there is a runway, there is a parking lot for different taxi stands, and the fire station, there is a ramp, there's an apron, there's a terminal maintenance department is there. So this is The total idea, this is the picture or this is the layout or this is the blueprint will help us to understand how things can be or how different physical amenities or arrangements can be done in order to use the space provided efficiently. So this was all about the plant layout.